So, welcome back, friends, in this JLPT series. And today we will learn about time, like how to express clock time in Japanese. So, the basic time expression in Japanese, like for G, 4 hours, and Fun Pun, 4 minutes, depending on the word. So, this is har start, and this is G, which is the kanji of har. And as I told you, this is time. This is time with kanji and this is romanized form of Japanese. So 1 o'clock is ichiji. 2 o'clock means niji. 3 o'clock means sanji. And 4 o'clock means yoji. And 5 o'clock means goji. And 6 o'clock means rokuji. And 7 o'clock means shichiji. And 8 o'clock means hachiji. And 9 o'clock means kuji. 10 o'clock means juji. And 11 o'clock means juichiji. And 12 o'clock means juniji. So let's see in the minutes chart how we use minutes in Japanese. This is minutes and this is min in kanji and this is romanized form of Japanese. So 1 minute means ippun, 2 minutes means nifun, and 3 minutes means sampu, sampun, 4 minutes mean yompun, 5 minutes mean gofun, 6 minutes mean ropun, 7 minutes means nanafun, 8 minutes mean happun, 9 minutes mean kyufun, and 10 minutes mean juppun. And for 15 minutes, we say jugopun. And for 30 minutes, we say sanjupun or han. Sanjupun or han. Like, what is time? What time it is now? So in Japanese, we say ima nanji desu ka? Ima means now. Nanji means what time. And desu ka means polite question. So ima nanji desu ka means what time it now. And if we say it is 3:15 p.m., so we have to say gogo sanji juppun desu. Gogo sanji jugoppun desu. Yani it's 7:50. So in the third sentence means if it is half past if it is 7:30 a.m. so we have to say gozen shichiji han desu. AM and PM in Japanese. So when we have to say before noon, so we have to say gozen, and gogo for afternoon, like 10:30 a.m. So we have to say gozen juji, means 10 a.m. Or if we have to say 7:30 p.m. so we say gogo shichiji han. And let's see some sentences for asking about time or answering. Like, ima nan desu ka? What time it is now? Nani o nani ni aimasu ka? Yani what time shall we meet? So we can answer in this format like gozen hachiji desu. It means it is 8 a.m. and gogo sanji jugo pun desu means it is 3:50 p.m. So let's see some special time related words. This is kanji, this is English. I mean, this is romanized form of Japanese and this is English. Asa for morning. Hiru means noon or midday. Yugata means evening. Yoru means night. Shinya means midnight or late night. Ohiru means lunchtime around 2 p.m. I mean 12 p.m. And Shogo means exactly 12 p.m. And Mayonka means midnight. So let's see some sentences of these time related expressions. So saying around X o'clock like Sanji goro ni ikimasu. I will go around 3 o'clock. Gogo hachiji goro nemasu means I sleep around 8 p.m. Goro means around. And we have, let's say, exactly at X o'clock, like hachiji choro ni hajimemasu. Like it starts exactly at 8 o'clock. Chodo means exactly. And let's say before or after some X o'clock, like like shichiji ni okimashita. I wake up before 7 o'clock. And goji sugu ni kairimashita means I came home after 5 o'clock. And let's see some more sentences like nanji, like shichiji ni gakkou e ikimasu. I go to school at 7 o'clock. 2時間 勉強しました. I study for 2 hours. And 30分 休憩します. Like I will take a 30 minutes break. So so now let's see some more sentences so you will get a better understanding of time in Japanese. So ima non desu ka? Ima nanji desu ka means what time it is now. And if it is 10 a.m., so we have to say gozen 12 desu. Means it is 10 a.m. And gozen 7時 han desu. Han means half, like it is 7:30 p.m. And it is watashi wa asa 6 ni ikimasu. Means I wake up at 6 a.m. And kaigi wa gogo 2 hajime arimasu. Means the meeting starts at 2 p.m. And densha wa 3時40分に出発します means the train departure at 3:45. And like yoru 10時頃寝ます I slept around 10 p.m. And ohiru 12頃 hiru gohan means lunch. O, which is a particle, and tabemas means eat. Means I ate lunch around 12 p.m. And the last sentence is tomodachi wa means friend. Gogo goji goro kimas means my friends will come around 5 p.m. And like asa 7時 mae ni ie o demasu means I leave home before 7 a.m. And gogo 9時 sugu ni kairimashita means I came home after 9 p.m. And jugyo wa 4時 han mae ni owarimasu means the class ends before 4:30. And 8時 chodo ni hajimemasu means it starts exactly at 8 o'clock. And shogo chodo ni ohiru gohan o tabemasu means it exactly. And 8時 chodo ni hajimemasu means it starts exactly at 8 o'clock. And shogo chodo ni ohiru gohan o tabemasu means I ate lunch exactly at noon. 2時間 benkyou shimashita means I study for 2 hours. 30分 machimashita means I waited for 30 minutes. 映画は 1時間 45分 desu means the movie is 1 hour and 45 minutes long. 午前5時 に okori no wa muzukashii desu means waking up at 5 a.m. is difficult. And gogo, which means p.m., means afternoon. Junichi 11ji means 11 o'clock. Nemas means I go to the bed at 11 p.m. and Mayonaka no Juniji Denwa ga kimashita means I got a phone call at the midnight 12 o'clock. So keep practicing guys and keep consistent so you will become a better speaker in Japanese and I will meet you in the next video. So goodbye.